Hey guys, it's Makib coming with a video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to enable personal hotspot on an iOS device. For this tutorial, I'll be using an iPhone 5. First, take your iPhone 5, unlock your lock screen. Once you type the password, you can see an app called Settings. Click on it. Then, as you can see over here, I cannot see the personal hotspot option in this first list. To enable that, you have to do a small trick. For that, just click the fourth option on the list, the cellular. Then go to cellular data options. Then go to cellular data network. Then fill in the first form, the first list and the last list. This is for cellular data and this is for personal hotspot. Now for the APN, just type test. You can type anything what you want. I'm typing everything as test because it's a tutorial video. I type everything as test. Then go down, go to the personal hotspot list and do the same thing. You can type whatever you want. I'm just typing test for everything. Then once you did everything, just click the back button and again click the back button, again back button and refresh the app. Then now again open the settings app and just click the cellular and there you can see set up personal hotspot. For this you need to on your cellular data. So as you can see, I get my cellular data over there and this will be enabled. As you can see, it's enabled. And when you go back also, you can see another option coming up on this. For that, you just click this, then click the personal hotspot. Wait, it's loading. Once the loading is done, I'll show it to you. As you can see guys, the personal hotspot option has appeared. Once it's loading, you have to just double tap this and refresh the app. So it will come as like this. So when you go back also you can see that personal hotspot. So to enable it, you have to just turn on your cellular data. So it will get enabled. That's it. So you can offer it or you can do whatever you want. The wallet will be back when you on this list. So here. So when you're on it, it will come. And that's it guys. Please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.